Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I'm going to review a cookbook that I didn't think I would ever want to purchase. And I did. It's not a library book. I bought it from Book Larder in Seattle, who didn't ask me to mention them, but I'm impressed with their quick shipping time and I want to support local brick and mortar bookstores. So anyway, they have a great website, made it easy to find the new cookbooks, which is a little difficult on other sites. This is Fruitcake Recipes for the Curious Baker. Now, you probably thought like I did, this is all about nasty, horrible, dry, gross, weird dried candied fruit, made up imitation fruit cake, like Christmas, like your grandma sends you. No! It's about cakes that have something to do with fruit in them. And I'm very impressed. I normally don't peek through a cookbook before I look at it on the camera with you so you can see my initial reactions to. But this one I had to peek through because I'm like, do I really want to go through that? Oh, I was like, do I regret buying this? No, I do not. Awesome, awesome. Jason Schreiber. Forward by Martha Stewart. Ooh la la. Let's check it out. This cover just makes me want to bake a lemon cake. And often after Christmas time and after New Year's, when I'm sick of all the rich, fatty, chocolatey foods I've been eating, I just start eating a lot of lemons and oranges and citrus and fresh greens. So this cover reminds me of January, February when I'm just trying to eat healthier. Anyway, not that eating cake is eating healthier. It's not. Ooh, you're gonna love the colorful food photography. Look at this. Oh, nice. Okay. Not sure what's going on with this poem. To be fair, I've had a glass of wine, so I'm going to try and read you this poem. First to show was sweet Clement. Richard often came and went, unlike Sal, who settled in, instantly becoming kin. Thinking there was room for more, Florence flitted through the door. Leon, Gerald, Evan, Ray, it seems their numbers grow each day. Exhausted as I try, still these fruit flies will not die. And the dedication is for Bim and Sam. Don't know who those people are. Oh, love a cookbook that immediately gets to the contents. Woohoo! Forward by Martha Stewart. Allow me to introduce myself. Getting started. Constant cravings, out of hand, showstoppers, all rise, soaked. The basics, interesting to have the basics at the back of the cookbook. I'm not complaining. File under It Takes a Village, conversion chart and index. Okay. Forward, beautiful photography. Allow me to introduce myself. The picture of cake. Good job. I'm not going to read this. I do read these later on after I turn the camera off and I go settle in with a cup of tea with a splash of bourbon in it. Let's be honest. I read through these, but I don't want to read through them ahead of time because I want to be surprised with you. Getting started. Your kitchen is not room temperature and other follies. I thought my kitchen was room temperature. Oh, great. And your oven isn't accurate. You're right. It is. Your measurements are off. No, I'm very careful. Measure by measure, liquids, dry goods, small quantities, weights. I have a feeling I'm going to learn a lot and be very disappointed with my previous baking techniques. Ingredients, flours, sweeteners. I only use sugar. Oh, granulated sugar, finishing sugar, superfine sugar syrups. Okay, I don't use any Splenda, any of that kind of crap. Dairy, fats, salt, yeast. If a recipe calls for blah blah blah, use blah 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 or blah blah blah. That's very handy. Okay, a more responsible kitchen. Shop light, reuse, avoid, and compost. Okay, gonna start off with constant cravings. Banana bread, buttermilk ricotta and peach cake, honey yuzu cassutera cake, blackberry Breton, banana tiramisu, hazelnut plum snacking cake, peach bostock, whatever that is, poached pear and quince crumb cake, raspberry tea cake, maple orange cornbread, applesauce cake, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so here's a typical example from this cookbook, banana bread. Beautiful picture. A little bit of what it's going to be like. The ingredients laid out clearly in both United States non-metric measurements and metric. Love that, love that, love that. Keeps the cookbook versatile, sells you more copies. You don't have to have a second edition for the other countries. Love it. And then these simple instructions. Continued. Well, if it's continued, it's not that simple, but okay. Continued. And then some tips. I love when cookbooks do this. Usually it's like ingredients, steps, do this, blah, blah, blah. But I love the cookbooks to go on to. And by the way, special hints. Next up, buttermilk ricotta and peach cake with the ingredients needed for the ricotta for the cake, and the steps, directions, and info on how to store it, and a picture of the item. So far, I'm in love with this cookbook and very glad I bought it. Do not disappoint me. Honey yuzu cassatera cake. Ingredients, steps. Are there any tips? Yes, there's tips. Love it! And an entire page of bonus tips that we weren't expecting. Eggs and sugar whipped together, make meringues in decent weather. It's a poem. On stormy days, it's shaky legs. Better to make scrambled eggs. Really? Okay. Okay. All right. Little comedian here. Blackberry Breton. So you get the gist. So I'm going to skip ahead, but I don't know why this banana tiramisu is so red or chocolatey. Okay. Skip, because I can't show you the whole book. Where's the next chapter? Nice pictures. Love it. Ooh, lemon loaf. Okay. Next section. Out of hand. We're going to learn how to make pineapple coconut breakfast cakes, jumbo cranberry pecan muffins, pumpkin cupcakes, orange and golden berry panforte, mango coconut cashew bites, popovers with pineapple jam. I remember my grandmother making popovers. Do you? Not my grandmother, your grandmother. Raspberry almond petit fours, fig and date snowballs, orange zucchini muffins, blueberry ginger stud muffins, ooh la la, strawberry tamales de dulce, and orange currant zaletti. Okay, I'm going to find the best picture in this chapter to show you. That's not it. You know, it's lovely. No, okay, this is not a good picture. I'm not sure what's happening. No comment. Whoa, that's also not a good picture. Okay. Next chapter. Showstoppers. This will surely have some good pictures. Peanut butter and jelly cake. That's clever. Chocolate caramel banana roulade. Mamie cheesecake. Mamie? Strawberry fools. Key lime cake. Ooh, I love key lime pie. I bet I love key lime cake even more. Hummingbird layer cake. Passion fruit lime pavlova. Summerberry shortcakes. Cranberry Yule log. Coconut cielo cake. Raspberry decoif cake. Horchata and roasted plum sorbet cake. This is inventive. I'm loving this. Beautiful, beautiful peanut butter and jelly cake with strawberries on top. Love it. Okay, let me find a couple pictures to show you because I can't show you the whole book. There's the one from the cover. Okay. A knife next to a cranberry Yule log. Moving on. Cake. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty. That must be the pavlova. Nope. Raspberry decoif cake. Okay. Another little poem. A beautiful, I accidentally skipped into another chapter. A kiwi and golden berry Saratoga tort. New chapter. All rise. Blood orange bee sting cake. Bourbon peach kugaloff. Bim's yeast cake. Cinnamon raisin buns. Panettone tropical. Rosca de Reyes. Stollen. Nectarine kuchen. Chocolate orange babka. We're getting a little holiday-ish. Beautiful. Beautiful. Doesn't this make you just want to jump into the kitchen and get cooking? Cinnamon raisin buns. If someone would wake up early and bake those for me in the morning, I'd be like, who are you? Because you're not my boyfriend or myself. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, you're going to have to buy this cookbook to find out what that was. Nectarine kuchen. Oh, kuchen? Anyway, I don't mind being corrected. Soaked. I'm guessing liqueur soaked cakes. Laura and Adam's wedding cake. Sticky toffee date cakes. Stout cake. Poached apricot sacher tort. Chocolate cherry and orange cake. Fig ported chocolate cake. Jamaican black cake, etc., etc., etc. Ooh. That is for the glaze and finishing. Okay. Ooh, cute. Okay. I don't want to skip another chapter on accident. Whoa, here's the cake on fire, flaming figgy pudding. Okay. Finally, the basics. Pangu, ladyfingers, perfect chiffon cake, tangy cream cheese frosting, pastry cream, candied citrus peel, berry jam, pineapple jam, ginger citrus curd, and special skills. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. This is incredible. So glad I bought this. Love it, love it, love it. Fruitcake by Jason Schreiber. If you'd like to see more of our cookbook look-throughs, I promise to drink a little bit less wine before I get started next time, but that's why they call us Cookbook Divas. You can find us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and now Pinterest, like I didn't have anything else to do but update Pinterest all day. Love it. Thanks for watching.